क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इसमें कह रहा था इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पार्ट ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव इन अ मीडियम रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय Ex equal to 0 and Ey equal to Ex equal to 0 and Ez equal to 0 and Ey equal to 2.5 cos 2 pi into 10 की power 6 t minus pi into 10 to the power minus 2 x. From the above equation we can say coefficient of x is negative. Coefficient of x is negative, so we can say wave will travel along positive x direction. Now we will compare it with Ey equal to E naught cos omega t minus kx. So you will get omega equal to 2 pi into 10 की power 6. 2 pi f equal to 2 pi into 10 की power 6 pi 2 pi से cancel तो frequency will be 10 की power 6 hertz and k equal to pi into 10 power minus 2. Now 2 pi by lambda equal to pi into 10 power minus 2. So lambda equal to 200 meter. Hence option will be 4 correct.